You can change the code in this, like, make a branch or whatever, clone it, and use this as a framework to build on top of if you want to do that. Or just build something of your own, like use Cloud, OpenAI, ChatGPT, whatever, and do it, right? So please come, having built something, use as much as you can, like really think about what the user's perspective looks like. And we would love to talk to you guys about it. So like, come ready to discuss in the first 10-15 minutes, okay? That's one thing. Second thing I want to show you before we go is this just happened. This happened, when did this happen? 1 day ago. Did anyone see OpenAI Dev Days? I don't know if this audio is going to work, but they are giving you the ability to make apps that respond to you. Zillow has made an app on ChatGPT, right? And you can just like deal with stuff. You can use apps right there within ChatGPT. Guess what? This was completely coincidental because they said in their announcement, I really wanted to like find the clip of like Sam Altman saying this, but what Sam Altman said was, hey, with our Apps SDK, anyone who has an MCP server that already works and has a resource that exposes HTML can just plug that MCP server into ChatGPT now and sell an app experience. And before I even knew Sam Altman was going to say that, I made this resource. If you look at this, MCP, JSON, and I say more resource, browse resources, get latest newspaper preview, full HTML preview of the latest newspaper. It's just raw HTML. That means that if I wanted to right now, and I couldn't do this before, in time, because it's also in preview beta, so I didn't have access to it, but I could literally just go to ChatGPT, use the Apps SDK, plug the code that I have right now, and anyone in the world will have a personalized newspaper within ChatGPT that they can scroll through and like looks beautiful like that, right? So they can just say, make me a newspaper or use one of my special prompts and a window will pop up and it will have the newspaper in it and they will see the newspaper evolving. Like people are doing really cool stuff with agentic AI. This is agentic AI. And people are really, really using these standards that we are all benefiting from, right? MCP was made by Anthropic, but OpenAI, one of the largest competitors, is releasing features, which is nice to do, really nice to do, that help anybody who knows how to use this stuff. And you now know how to use this stuff. You know how to make MCP servers that expose HTML as resources. So who knows, like one of you guys, if you want to do this, for your demo day, maybe make a demo of a ChatGPT app and put it on the marketplace. Start making money maybe. I don't know if they've enabled monetization yet. But that's so cool. That is cool to say on your resume that, hey, the 2 weeks later, after the Apps SDK came out, I had an app on the ChatGPT App Store from MCP. And all the code to do that is in the one notebook here, right? Just this one notebook.